Hello and welcome to the Dr. UUT lectures. In today's discussion, we will discuss with you guys the difference among ointments, creams, pastes, oil, gels, and lotions. All these are, remember guys, semi-solid preparations or dosage forms. All these ointments, creams, pastes, gels, and lotions, all these are actually same in sense of what dosage form. That is semi-solid. All these are semi-solid, but there is difference among all these. Now, what are the differences? Simple. Ointments, remember, guys, here we have oil and water combination. You can say water is not available here. Ointment contains a larger amount of oil, and water is about not present, may not be the composition of water. So, oil is in excess, water may and may not be there in its composition. Okay, ointments. Regarding creams, there is a balanced amount of both the oil and water. Creams have both oil and water, but there is a balanced amount. Remember, regarding ointments, there is a belief that there is no use of water, or if it is used, it is very small quantity. Got? So oil is in excess. Creams, balance amount. Pastes have powder and oil combination. There is powder and oil here in the pastes. Okay, so pastes have powder and oil. Gels, they have water and gelling agent. So water is in excess. Water is in excess in the gels. Okay, gels or jellies. Whereas lotions, remember guys, creams and lotions, these both are actually kind similar, but there is a little bit difference, that is in sense of oil used in the lotions are actually a little bit less as compared to used in the creams, not in the crimes. So well, lotions and creams, they both are actually similar. Lotions have sufficient amount of oil, but that is actually less as compared to the used in the creams. So creams, lotions, basically they're actually having a kind of same definition. So they have the same amount, but there's a little bit different, that is on oil. So due to which we just classify the semi-solid preparations into 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 types: ointments, creams, paste, gels, and lotions. Once again, in short, ointments have high concentration of the oil, no or a little bit water. Creams have balanced amount of both the oil and water. Pastes have powder and oil combination. Gels have high water and gelling agents combination, and lotions have water and oil combination in a balanced way, but the oil used in lotions is actually less as compared to used in the creams. And that's it all. If still you have any kind of confusion, drop in the comment box, and thank you for watching.